The new Spire monitor arm series are almost a mandatory requirement for an ergonomic and healthy desk arrangement. The Spire monitor arms are made out of strong aluminum, which also gives it contemporary looks. Adjustment possibilities are unlimited. Besides the standard adjustable in height and depth, this arm also provides adjustments by tilting, swiveling, and rotating. Affordable and ergonomic, supplied with integrated dual USB port hub and audio ports, good cable management and neat routing for a well-organized and neat desk. Screen mount VESA hole pattern 75x75 or 100x100mm or different hole patterns can be obtained with the supplied VESA adapter plates. Desk installation made simple and fast with the supplied various types table clamp or grommet. You are set with 5 minutes. Powered by innovation and supported by our 2-year warranty service. Ergonomics made affordable by Spire. Main features: durable gas spring monitor arm, counterbalance height adjustment, fast monitor insert function, installation made simple and quick, good cable management and protection, angle-free tilt function, USB port and headset plug-in integrated, 2 years manufacturer warranty service. Codename: single monitor arm, part, SPVM212UB. Dual monitor arm, part, SPVM224UB. MSRP. Manufacturer suggested retail price. SPVM212UB, Euro, including VAT, Euro 74,95, dollar, including VAT, $82.95. SPVM224UB, Euro, including VAT, Euro 119,95, dollar, including VAT, $139.95. Availability: both monitor arm models are now available from Spire Corporate in Shenzhen, China. European availability will commence end of May 2018.